Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'll be teaching you how to make khajooris. This will be a unique recipe on your iftar table. But before starting, I want you all to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. We will start by adding 3 cups of maida, 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of suji which has been soaked for 3 to 4 hours, 1 pinch of elaichi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we will mix everything together. Gradually add 18 tablespoons of melted ghee, but make sure that the ghee has cooled down. Keep mixing and rubbing the flour until the ghee is completely combined with it. Add dry ingredients into a dough mixer. Gradually add 100 ml milk and keep mixing until a soft dough is formed. The softer the dough will be, the better your khajooris will turn out. The dough is now prepared. This will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Take it out in a bowl. Knead it again for a minute or two. Cover and refrigerate it for at least half an hour. Now we will take a small piece of dough, turn it into a smooth ball. We will take a strainer with comparatively bigger hole and roll the dough around it. That's it. You can also make an oval-like shape and press it around the strainer and roll it. Now we will freeze these khajooris for 30 minutes before frying. You can also freeze these khajooris for up till 1 week. In a pan, add ghee and add khajooris and fry them on medium-high flame until they turn brown. Remember that the ghee shouldn't be either too hot or too cold. Flip them once they are brown in color. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Cook again for 2 to 3 minutes or until they are brown. Khajooris are now ready to serve. Do try this recipe out and let me know in the comment section below of what you think about it. If you like this recipe, please share it with your families and friends. For more such recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Assalamu alaikum.